Today, we're diving into the must-have survival gear that could mean the difference between life and disaster. From high-powered tools to next-level essentials, these are built for the toughest conditions. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and let's get into it. Forget hauling gallons of water into the wilderness. PURISOO Plus is the ultimate survivalist's hydration solution, combining a filtration system and water bottle in one rugged design. This beast filters out bacteria, protozoa, and even microplastics, giving you clean drinking water straight from lakes, rivers, or any questionable source. With a built-in hand pump, no batteries or chemicals are needed, making it a must-have for long treks, emergency preparedness, or off-grid adventures. Durability meets convenience with its lightweight, impact-resistant shell, ensuring it survives rough handling and extreme conditions. Unlike standard filters that clog over time, PURISOO Plus boasts a replaceable filter system, extending its lifespan. Whether you're backpacking through harsh terrains or bracing for a survival scenario, this bottle ensures you stay hydrated without the fear of contaminants, because clean water is non-negotiable when the wild calls. If MacGyver had a go-to survival tool, it would be the Off-Grid Tools TRUCKE'S Survival Tool, an absolute powerhouse designed to handle anything the road or wilderness throws at you. This 30-in-1 multi-tool includes a hatchet, saw blade, hammer, hex wrenches, and even a seatbelt cutter, making it perfect for breaking, cutting, prying, and hammering your way out of tough situations. Whether you're escaping a wreck, clearing debris, or building an emergency shelter, this is the one tool you want within arm's reach. Built for extreme durability, this compact tool is forged from carbon steel and reinforced for high-impact survival scenarios. The ergonomic grip ensures maximum control, even in wet or cold conditions. Unlike flimsy gimmick multi-tools, this one is built with serious survivalists in mind. It's not just an accessory, it's a lifeline. Whether you're overlanding, off-roading, or prepping for doomsday, this beast makes sure you're never caught unprepared. Nothing ruins a survival trip faster than relentless mosquitoes and biting insects. Enter the YISSVIC Bug Zapper, a high-powered electric insect eliminator that turns your camp into a no-fly zone. With a powerful UV light lure and a 4200-volt electric grid, it zaps mosquitoes, flies, and other annoying pests instantly. Whether you're deep in the woods or just enjoying a backyard fire, this zapper keeps the air clear of buzzing threats so you can focus on survival, not swatting. Designed for rugged outdoor use, it features a waterproof, shock-resistant casing, meaning rain or rough handling won't slow it down. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery and a quiet operation mode, it won't disturb your nighttime peace. Unlike chemical sprays or candles, the YISSVIC Bug Zapper is an eco-friendly, non-toxic solution for insect control. Whether you're sleeping under the stars or battling the elements, this device ensures one less thing stands between you and a good night's rest. When survival demands raw power, the KUKRI delivers with precision and brute force. This isn't just a machete, it's a survival tool forged for hacking through dense brush, splitting firewood, or defending yourself in the most extreme conditions. Its 11.5-inch carbon steel blade, coated in black for stealth and durability, slices through obstacles like butter. The ergonomic Creighton handle ensures a firm, non-slip grip, giving you full control over every swing. Unlike flimsy machetes that chip and dull quickly, the KUKRI is built for hard use and designed to withstand years of punishment. Whether you're clearing a path, setting up shelter, or chopping through survival tasks, this beast won't let you down. Military-grade craftsmanship meets traditional KUKRI power, making it an essential blade for preppers, adventurers, and hardcore survivalists alike. When the wild throws its worst at you, this machete answers back with sheer cutting force. Your survival kit is only as good as your ability to move. And the MANFEN waterproof hiking boots are built to take you anywhere, no matter how unforgiving the terrain. With a rugged rubber sole and aggressive grip pattern, these boots eat up mud, snow, and rocky paths without breaking stride. The high-top ankle support ensures stability, preventing twists and sprains when navigating unpredictable landscapes. Plus, the waterproof membrane keeps your feet dry in rain, rivers, or slushy trails. Comfort meets durability with a lightweight yet ultra-tough design, meaning you get full protection without the bulk slowing you down. The insulated lining also keeps your feet warm in cold conditions while remaining breathable for warmer climates. Whether you're trekking through the mountains, escaping a disaster, or surviving in the unknown, these boots ensure one thing: you'll always be ready to take the next step, no matter what's ahead. When the night turns pitch black and survival hinges on visibility, the VLU Tactical Flashlight becomes your most trusted tool. Packing an ultra-bright, high-lumen LED beam, this powerhouse cuts through darkness like a knife, ensuring you see threats, trails, and obstacles with crystal clarity. It features multiple lighting modes, including strobe and SOS, making it perfect for signaling in emergency situations. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, this flashlight isn't just bright, it's tough as nails, surviving drops, water exposure, and extreme conditions. Compact, yet insanely powerful, the VLU Tactical Flashlight is designed for one-handed operation with an easy-to-use tail switch, making it ideal for high-pressure situations. Whether you're navigating dense woods, securing your campsite, or defending against potential threats, this flashlight ensures you stay in control. With a rechargeable battery and an extended runtime, you'll never be left in the dark when it matters most. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a survival necessity. Whether you're bugging out or on a survival fishing mission, the KASTKING Carryall Fishing Backpack is the ultimate tactical storage solution. With a rugged, water-resistant design, this backpack protects your gear from the elements while offering insane storage capacity. Multiple compartments, heavy-duty zippers, and an integrated rod holder make it the perfect grab-and-go survival fishing pack. The ergonomic, padded shoulder straps ensure comfort, even when carrying heavy loads across rough terrain. Unlike standard backpacks, this one is built for survivalists who need to be organized and efficient. The reinforced MOLLE system lets you attach additional gear, while the built-in tackle trays keep everything neatly arranged. Whether you're hiking to a remote fishing spot or relying on angling for long-term survival, the KASTKING Carryall makes sure your essential gear is always within reach. It's more than a backpack. It's your mobile survival base. ONETIGRIS Jar Mattress Inflator. When you're out in the wild, the last thing you want is to waste your breath manually inflating a mattress after a brutal day of trekking. That's where the ONETIGRIS DREAMSTAR mattress inflator comes in like an absolute lifesaver. This compact, ultra-efficient device takes all the hassle out of setting up your sleeping space, delivering powerful, automated inflation with just the push of a button. No more huffing and puffing. Just let this little beast do the work while you focus on more important survival tasks, like setting up camp or securing food. What makes the DREAMSTAR stand out is its rugged yet lightweight design, perfect for survivalists who demand reliability without the extra weight. With a fast, airtight inflation system, it ensures your mattress is firm and comfortable in no time, giving you the rest you need to tackle the next day's challenges. And when it's time to pack up, it deflates just as quickly, making your morning breakdown smooth and effortless. If you're serious about survival, this isn't just gear. It's an essential upgrade to your outdoor arsenal. This compact stainless steel stove runs on wood, meaning you'll never have to rely on gas canisters or liquid fuel in an emergency. With a foldable, lightweight design, it fits into any survival kit, ready to unleash high heat with just a few sticks, twigs, or leaves. Whether you need to boil water, cook food, or stay warm, this stove is an absolute game changer in the wild. Built with a stable, wind-resistant structure, the CANWAY stove ensures maximum heat output while minimizing smoke, making it ideal for stealth camping. Its efficient airflow system allows for a hotter, cleaner burn with minimal fuel, meaning you can cook longer with fewer resources. When the grid goes down or you find yourself deep in the backcountry, this stove guarantees you'll have hot meals and purified water, because survival starts with fire. Cooking in the wild demands lightweight, durable gear, and the ALOCS 1.4 camping cookware is built to handle it all. This hard anodized aluminum pot is scratch-resistant, corrosion-proof, and designed to distribute heat evenly, making cooking faster and more efficient. Whether you're boiling water, making soup, or preparing a survival meal, this compact pot ensures you get the nutrition you need with minimal hassle. The included heat-resistant handle provides a secure grip even when wearing gloves. Unlike flimsy cookware that warps over open flames, the ALOCS pot is built for rugged survival. It's designed for use with gas burners, campfires, and wood stoves, making it a versatile tool in any survival situation. The compact nesting design saves space in your pack while providing enough capacity for solo or small group cooking. When food is fuel and survival is on the line, this cookware is your ticket to staying strong and well-fed in the wilderness. When it comes to hardcore survival tools, the Freelander Survival Axe with hoe is a beast of versatility. This isn't just an axe, it's a full-on survival system designed to tackle anything from chopping wood to digging trenches. The 420 stainless steel axe head delivers lethal cutting power, perfect for splitting logs, self-defense, or clearing brush. But here's where it gets next level. The detachable hoe flips the game entirely, letting you dig fire pits, latrines, or shelter foundations with ease. Whether you're bugging out or setting up a backcountry base camp, this tool ensures you're always prepared. Built with a modular, adjustable length handle, the Freelander axe adapts to your needs, functioning as a compact hatchet or a full-length axe depending on the task. The non-slip grip ensures rock-solid control even in wet or freezing conditions. Unlike cheap multi-tools that compromise durability, this one is forged for extreme use, meaning it won't fail when you need it most. Whether you're hacking, digging, or defending, this is the one survival tool that does it all, and then some. If there's one survival weapon that stood the test of time, it's the KALKAL Survival Spear, a modern take on an ancient classic that screams pure, primal power. This double-edged spear is built for hunting, defense, and all-out survival. Forged from high-carbon steel, the razor-sharp tip is built to pierce through tough hides, dense foliage, or even improvised defenses. Whether you're spearfishing, securing your perimeter, or going full Rambo in the wild, this spear gives you the reach and lethality needed to survive. With a lightweight yet ultra-durable shaft, the KALKAL Survival Spear is easy to wield, making it perfect for throwing, jabbing, or stationary defense. Unlike knives or hatchets, this weapon gives you distance, keeping threats at bay while ensuring maximum impact on every strike. The non-slip grip ensures control, even in high-pressure scenarios. If you're serious about self-reliance and survival, adding a combat-ready spear to your arsenal is a power move, and this one is built for warriors. Your iPhone might be smart, but it won't survive the apocalypse unless it's armored up with the BZJoy waterproof metal case. This military-grade case transforms your phone into an indestructible survival tool, shielding it from water, dust, and high-impact drops. Made with an aluminum alloy shell and shock-absorbing silicone interior, this case ensures your device survives extreme conditions, whether you're crossing rivers, climbing mountains, or battling the elements. Unlike standard waterproof cases, the BZJoy doesn't just keep water out, it turns your phone into a fully protected survival hub. With responsive buttons, a sealed charging port, and a heavy-duty screen protector, you still get full functionality without compromising durability. Whether you're navigating with GPS, calling for rescue, or documenting your survival journey, this case ensures your lifeline stays intact. When the wild tries to take your tech, BZJoy fights back, because in survival, staying connected is everything. Thanks for watching, Survivalists. If you found this gear epic, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next adventure.